Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the LG AX275SV, which is the silver version. This is a reconditioned phone. Inside is going to be the phone, as well as the proprietary LG charger, the back and the battery, and also the receipt from back in, make sure there's no card number, back in 2007. You read the date right there. You're gonna have your getting started, like a little overview. Oh, there goes paper. It blew away. And also your, I don't know, like inspection thing from Alltel, or their 1-year warranty. We'll take a look at the phone. I'm not going to do an overview because I already have that on this phone, but also, I plan on doing something different with the backdrop here on the desk, and then also all my videos will be recorded with the Note 10 Plus now, so the picture quality should be a lot better. The Pixel wasn't bad, but it still had its problems with autofocusing. So we'll be using the Note from now on videos. And we're almost at, I'll grab my S6 real quick. So we're getting pretty close on subscribers from doing the next giveaway on top of the LG. Notifications all over the place. Let me see. Well, I guess that's not very right. We're at 70 subscribers. Yeah, there we go. 70 subscribers, and we're going to be doing the other giveaway at 75. So in here is just a whole bunch of flip phones that I've been testing. They're all good, so we'll be doing a giveaway on all of those, along with the giveaway on the LG Vista. So stay tuned for more, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.